Interesting, and then draw arrows between them in a clockwise fashion. So it's a continuous process, and you'll see how this works. Now when I say the rich get richer and the poor get poorer, I don't just mean money. How many of you found depressed people tend to get more depressed, and happy people tend to get more happy? How many found this to be true in your life? Say, ah! That's called momentum. Momentum is the secret to anything. And momentum in life starts really simply with this. What do you think the potential is for anyone in this room to truly achieve the financial freedom they came here for? What do you think that potential is? Is it limited or unlimited? What would you say? It truly is unlimited. But do most people's results in life reflect their true potential? Yes or no? Why? Because most people aren't taking any real what? But some people take action and still get lousy results. Why? Because if you go to 100 people and say, you wouldn't want to do a deal with me, would you? They're not going to usually interrupt you. Yes, I do. Because they sense your lack of certainty. So even taking action is not enough. The real secret here is what you believe before you even begin. What you're certain about. See, if you're certain that the potential result is quite limited by you taking this action, are you going to run out and take massive action when you think the potential is very small? Yes or no? No. So when you take little potential with little action, what kind of results do you get? Little lousy results. When you get little lousy results, what does that do to your belief? Your brain goes, see, I told you it was a waste of time. See, I told you we shouldn't have done this. See? Now you believe even less. You have less certainty, so you have less potential. You take less action. You get even worse results. And your brain goes, see? And pretty soon you're trying to figure out how to do the least you possibly can to get by. By the way, does this happen in a relationship? Does it happen with your finances? Does it happen with your body? You bet it does. What if there was a way to change the direction? What if there's a way where you could change that sense of certainty so when you started, you knew it was going to work? Would you tap more of your potential if you were totally certain? Yes or no? Yes. Come on, guys, yes or no? Yes. You bet. And you're going to take massive amounts of what since you believe in it? What? When you take massive potential and massive action, what kind of results do you tend to get? Massive. And when you get massive results, what does that do to your belief? Your brain goes, see, I told you you were a stud or studette. I told you it would work, so now you're even more excited. You tap more potential, more action, better results. And now you're on the upward spiral. Now you're the rich getting richer instead of the poor getting poorer. Now here's what's interesting. Every person in this room right now